What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to add a smart key to a Cadillac XTS. This is a 2016 here, but it's going to be the same procedure from 2013 to 2016. So as I said, this is going to be to add a key. In order to be able to do this, you're going to need at least one working key. And you can have up to 8 keys programmed at one time to the vehicle. Okay? So the first thing we need to do, if we take a look at, I have the existing key here. As you can see, this one already works. This is our new unprogrammed key. And we're just gonna put that unprogrammed key away for a second and look at our existing key. And we need to remove the emergency key out of the bottom. So if we press that little button there, it'll slide out like that. And that too, we're gonna put away just for a minute. And the first thing we need to do is place the existing key in the transmitter pocket, and that's going to be in the vehicle. If we take a look in here, center console, open that up, and the transmitter pocket is going to be this pocket right here. So we're going to put our smart key in there with the buttons facing the rear like that. Come out here. You can do this with the door open or closed. I'm going to do it with the door closed. And then we need to grab our emergency key that we just took out of the smart key. And there's going to be a little slot right here. Not sure if the camera will pick it up, but there's a little slot right here. Our key is going to go in. And what we need to do is stick the key up in that slot and then open the handle a little bit like that. And then just kind of wiggle that key back and forth. Oops. It'll pop that cap off, that's fine. Just set that cap to the side. And yours may come off, they're a little tougher than that, but once you have that off, go ahead and stick your key in. And now we're gonna turn it to the left or counterclockwise 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if we look in here, we're gonna notice our dash says ready for remote 3. Yours may say a different number depending on how many are already programmed to the vehicle. So what we need to do is take our existing key out of the transmitter pocket. Then we're gonna take our unprogrammed key and put it in there the same way with the buttons facing the rear like that. Come over here and we're gonna press the stop start button. And now you'll notice it says ready for remote 4. And since we're just adding that one, now we're gonna go ahead and exit programming mode. So we'll hold down the stop start button for 12 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now this should be programmed. Let's go ahead and grab it. And as you can see there, the buttons are working. I'm gonna remove the existing one from the vehicle. If you'll take that, please, to test this out to make sure it'll start the vehicle. Perfect, that's a working remote. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.